One of the key thematics that we are expecting to emerge in the natural resources sector in 2021 is that around ESG, and in particular the reporting thereof. I think we're going to see companies in our space not just report the sort of ESG activities they're doing, but I think they're actually going to start to embed them and trying to bring an element of green in how they do their business. It's very prevalent in the Northern Hemisphere and it's coming this way. And I think it's clearly a good thing. It can be costly, but I think people are going to be looking a lot closer at it, and where they can and justify it, they'll be embedding it in part of their day-to-day business. Outside of our current portfolio, our or my probably top commodity pick for 2021. It's a bit boring, but it's probably lithium. And there's a reason for it in that I think, the obvious thematic is very strong. But we, being Ramelius, we also have a very large, valuable lithium royalty from the Kathleen Valley tenements that we sold to Liontown. We made some very good money from the gold at Kathleen Valley, and if the lithium price and the prospects continue, then we could well make just as much, if not more, out of the royalty on our lithium projects there. So lithium is our big tip. And being a leadership executive of a natural resources company in 2021, I think requires you to be very flexible, and you need to be able to adapt to what is a world that is changing almost continually. It's from a legislative perspective, things are changing. The ESG I touched upon, that's changing. The accounting and finance rules are changing. It seems to be a sort of a continuation of change. And I think as a senior member of particularly of a financial section within a business, you need to be across those. You need to be something more than just the guy who crunches the numbers and produces the results. I think you need to understand how the world is changing around you and how you can adapt and how you can provide a better service fundamentally to the rest of the business.